How you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video. I have never taken my truck off-roading, but today we are in Little Moab and we're going to be taking it off-roading. It's on, I think it's on 31.5s with a leveling kit, like a, what is it? One in the front, two in the rear, if I remember correctly. So it's pretty much stock. And from what I can tell, it looks like some of this stuff's actually pretty gnarly. It looks like there's one, two, that one's really gnarly. I won't be able to do that for sure, but it looks like there's like 3 different levels of what you can do. So we'll get some shots of us doing that, I guess. We'll see. Okay. We're gonna air the tires down to like 18 PSI, 16 PSI, just because I'm pretty sure that's like safe range if you don't have bead locks, so. You don't have to get the whole thing. It's gonna be boring. You're getting the whole thing.
Good boy. Vince, come get up. You can do it. Here, look. I'll get up here. Okay, Vince, come on. Come on. I know you want to get up. Come on. Come on, puppy. Good boy. That was a hop. That was a hop. That was so good. And now we wait. Get the fly. Oh.
Okay.
They'd be nice. There's Ocean.
First climb.
I'm scared.
Pretty sweet. I gotta kind of scope everything out. I've never been here before, so I don't really know, and I've never been off-roading in my truck before, so I kind of gotta figure it out as I go. I think I can make that. Yeah. I guess we'll see. We're gonna set you up right here. Okay, go. This is so awesome. I know it's not much, but it's really fun. What do you think?
It's fun.
Do I have
a little bit nervous.
Do I have a cool truck or what?
Yeah.
Whoa. This is so fun. I've never really taken my truck off-roading at all, so it's interesting to be able to see what it can do.
The dogs. I was a little bit worried on that one. He's so excited.
There's also, like, if you come here, there is stuff that I'm not willing to do in my truck, but there's like insane climbs that you can do. Like, this is stuff that the Peck brothers should be doing. Like, this is gnarly. This is like stuff you would actually see in Moab. That's really gnarly. That is so pitched right up there at the very top. Like, it's pretty gnarly. So I'm just gonna stick to to the little stuff. I'm gonna stick to the little stuff. Get a drink.
There you go. You guys, there's water in the
Thirsty
leaf
pups.
right here. There you go.
Yeah, baby. This is definitely the biggest climb we will have done with it yet.
Driving off into the sunset without me. Yeah, I don't think the camera does it justice. Oh my. You're gonna scratch. Oh, maybe not. Okay.
I know it might be. I think the back is unfortunate.
Oh my gosh, I don't want to listen. Maybe you should just go fast.
No.
Oh! Oh no, you're good. You're good.
I'm good?
You're good.
Nice.
Nice.
I don't know in the video if you could like zoom in, but you're like this close. Oh my gosh.
I just popped my tire.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Nate, it just scraped it real hard.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It scraped all along here because you can see it on my leg.
It's good. Totally heard, like, it sounded like it went.
It did, but it just scraped. Look, you can see right here. You can see it scrape on that rock right there.
Yeah, man.
Didn't pop. We're good. You don't even have a spare, do you?
I do have a spare.
Oh, you
I got
do?
one. Yeah.
Oh, that would look real good then. Tire.
Oh, I'm so glad I didn't.
There that is.
Well, that was a really fun little expedition with the wife and the dogs. So I just want to thank you guys for watching, and for those of you that stuck around. I really am trying to upload more. I know I uploaded like 2 or 3 videos and then took a year break. We're trying to, with school and work, it does make it hard, but I'm gonna try and upload as much as I can. One time, 2 times, 3 times a month. So if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Yep, that's what they'll do. Thanks, you guys.